What's up guys? So for today's video, we were going to discuss what are Shopify collections. Shopify collections are a way to organize and group similar products in your online store. They help customers navigate your store more easily and find products that are relevant to their interest. Collections are a fundamental part of structuring your store and can enhance the shopping experience. Here's a more detailed explanation of what Shopify collections are and how they work. So the first we have a manual and automated collections. Shopify offers two main types of collections, which are the manual and automated. So we will discuss the first is manual collections. With manual collections, you personally select which products to include. This gives you complete control over the products displayed in the collection. You can drag and drop products into these collections as needed. The next is the automated collections. Automated collections, on the other hand, are created based on specific rules or criteria that you set. For instance, you can create an automated collection for all products with a certain tag, price range, or keyword in their title or description. When products meet these criteria, they are automatically added to or removed from the collections. We go through the next is collection pages. Each collection has its own page on your Shopify store, displaying the products it contains. You can customize the layout, add images, and include descriptions to make the collection page visually appealing and informative. The next is navigation and filtering. Collections are typically displayed in your store's navigation menu, making it easy for customers to browse through different product categories. Additionally, customers can often filter products within a collection by attributes such as price, size, color, and more. The next is promotion. You can use collections to promote specific product groups or seasonal items. For example, you can create a summer sale collection and feature it too prominently on your store during the summer months. Then next we have SEO benefits. Creating collections can also have SEO benefits. Each collection has its own unique URL, title, and meta description, which can help improve your store's search engine visibility for specific keywords or product categories. The next is cross-selling. Collections enable you to cross-sell related products. When customers view a product in a collection, they may be more inclined to explore other items within the same category. Also, about personalization, some advanced Shopify themes and apps allow for personalized collections where products are recommended to customers based on their browsing and purchase history, increasing the chances of making relevant product suggestions. In summary, Shopify collections are a valuable tool for organizing and presenting your products effectively, enhancing the shopping experience, and improving your store's overall usability. They help customers find what they're looking for more easily and can contribute to increased sales and customer satisfaction. So if you guys found this video was helpful, then please don't leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time.